I stay at home, I always say na that person dedicated a life sa iyo. You go to work every day, nagbibihis ka, kasi na-facilitate niya yan para sa'yo. And it's just so unfair that when you go out of your house, you devote yung time mo for excitement to another woman. Go home. Diba? And devote that to your wife or to your girlfriend. Ganun. Like ko sabi, diba? If you find a good flower, beautiful flower, diba? And you want the flower, pick the flower. At kung na-pick mo na yung flower, keep the flower. And like, may nakita kang bulaklak, baka may iba pang flower sa garden, you walk, and then you come back, wala na yung flower. Nakuha na ng iba. Because you're busy chasing the wrong things.
Okay, bilang isang lalaki, paano mo masasabi na ang isang lalaki ay in love sa isang babae?
Kapag when you let your walls down,
Ang lalaki.
kasi ganito yan. Ang mga babae kasi may ugali, ang mga babae na. When we tell you things that makes us vulnerable, when we fight, you use it against us. You weaponize it. Ano ba? Ito, common example to. Ang mga lalaki sa pasikat minsan pag bago ang relasyon. Alam mo, dati akong babaero eh. Nagbago ako dahil sa'yo. That's a line. Pero ang maalala ng babae, babaero ako, nawala na yung nagbago ako. So pag nag-away sila, or may duda siya, bawa, hindi niya makontakt. Ang lagi niya maisip, dating babaero to. So na-weaponize. So the man will stop saying things. Hindi na ako magkakwento sa'yo kasi i-weaponize mo yan eh.
Ginagamit yung vulnerability ng lalaki.
To win an argument.
To win an argument.
Kasi totoo nga naman, dati nga naman babaero. Pero you had no way of knowing it. Sinabi lang naman sa'yo. So, kung ang tanong is, paano malalaman na in love ang lalaki? Kung kaya na namin magbaba ng walls namin. Diba? We can be vulnerable around you. And that's very difficult to achieve. Naniniwala po ko na sa relasyon, babae talaga ang boss. That's coming from a guy.
Ang babae nagdadala.
Yes, ma'am. Pero, your duty as a woman is to make us feel that we are the boss. Halimbawa, ma'am.
True.
Kurtina ng bahay. So, you allow your husband to choose. So, red, black, blah, blah, blah. You have 5 favorite colors. Anong gusto mong kurtina? And the guy would say, red. Kahit anong mangyari, kami namili, pero panalo ka pa rin. Why? Because you gave us the choices. That's very tricky. But we feel like, ako namili ng kurtina namin. Pero totoo niyan, favorite namin 5 yun eh. So it's your duty to make us feel that. Huwag mo kaming hubaran ng pride.